Welcome to the second video of Vedic mathematics. In this video we are going to learn how to solve 3 by 3 and 3 by 2 multiplication problems in one line. We will also learn how to solve 4 by 4, 4 by 3, and 4 by 2 multiplication problems in one line. We will start with 3 by 3 multiplication. Let the two numbers be 849 and 312. And we will write the two numbers as follows. Now, in first step, we will do vertical multiplication. That is, 9 into 2 equals 18. We will write 8 in our answer line and 1 as carryover. Step 2. First we will do cross multiplication and then add them up. So, we will multiply 4 with 2 which is 8. And 9 with 1 which equals 9, and then we will add them up, that is 8 plus 9 equals 17. Finally we will add carryover from the previous step which was 1, so, we get 18. We will write 8 in answer line. And 1 as carryover. In step 3, we will multiply 8 into 2 which equals 16. 9 into 3 which equals 27, and 4 into 1 which equals 4. Then we add them up as 16 plus 27 plus 4, we will get 47. We also have a carryover 1 from last step, so add this 1 to 47 and result is 48. Again we will write 8 in answer line, and 4 as carryover. In step 4, we will cross multiply 8 into 1 which equals 8, and 4 into 3 which equals 12. Then we will add them up as 8 plus 12 equals 20. We also have a carryover 4 from last step. So add 4 to 20, you will get 24. From 24, write 4 in answer line, and 2 as carryover. In final step, we will do vertical multiplication. That is multiply 8 and 3. So, 8 into 3 will give you 24. We also have a carryover 2 from last step. Add this 2 to 24 and you will get 26. Since this is last step, so write 26 as it is in answer line. So, we are done, and our answer in this case is 2648, 8, and 8. Let us take another example. In this example we will take one 3-digit number and another 2-digit. So, how will you solve this one? Well, the answer is simple. First write them as you wrote in first example. Then place a 0 on the left side of 2-digit number and we are all done. Now, all you have to do is to proceed as you did in earlier example. Now, we will move towards 4 by 4 multiplication. Let us take any two 4-digit numbers, say 3256 and 4125. And we will write as. Now we will solve them using Vedic mathematics. Step 1, in step 1 we will multiply 6 with 5. So, 6 into 5 equals 30. From 30 we will write 0 in answer line and 3 as carry. Step 2, in step 2 we will cross multiply 6 with 2. And 5 with 5. So, 6 into 2 equals 12. And 5 into 5 equals 25. After that add 12 and 25, so 12 plus 25 equals 37. We also have 3 as carryover from last step. Add this 3 to 37. 37 plus 3 equals 40. From 40 we will write 0 in answer line and 4 as carryover. Step 3, we will multiply 2 with 5. 6 with 1. And 5 with 2. So, 2 into 5 equals 10. 6 into 1 equals 6. 5 into 2 equals 10. Now add them up. 10 plus 6 plus 10 equals 26. We also have 4 as carryover from last step. Add this 4 to 26. 26 plus 4 equals 30. From 30 we will write 0 in answer line and 3 as carryover. Step 4, in step 4 we will multiply 3 with 5. 6 with 4, 2 with 2, and 5 with 1. So, 3 into 5 equals 15. 6 into 4 equals 24. 2 into 2 equals 4. And 5 into 1 equals 5. Now add them up. 15 plus 24 plus 4 plus 5 equals 48. We also have 3 as carryover from last step. Add this 3 to 48. 48 plus 3 equals 51. From 51 we will write 1 in answer line and 5 as carryover. Step 5. In step 5, we will multiply 3 with 2, 5 with 4, and 2 with 1. So, 3 into 2 equals 6. 5 into 4 equals 20. 2 into 1 equals 2. Now add them up. 6 plus 20 plus 2 equals 28. We also have 5 as carryover from last step. Add this 5 to 28. 28 plus 5 equals 33. From 33 we will write 3 in answer line and 3 as carryover. Step 6. In step 6, we will cross multiply 3 with 1, and 2 with 4. So, 3 into 1 equals 3. And 2 into 4 equals 8. After that add 3 and 8, so 3 plus 8 equals 11. We also have 3 as carryover from last step. Add this 3 to 11. 11 plus 3 equals 14. From 14 we will write 4 in answer line and 1 as carryover. Step 7, this is our last step. In this step we will vertically multiply 3 with 4. So, 3 into 4 equals 12. We also have 1 as carryover from last step. Add this 1 to 12. 1 plus 12 equals 13. Since this is last step, so write 13 as it is in answer line. That is it. We have completed our question, and answer for this question is 1343100 and 0. Let us take another example, but in this case we will use one 4-digit and other 3-digit number. This time what we are going to do is simply place an extra 0 as shown. Then solve in the similar fashion as we did in example 1, of 4 by 4 multiplication. Also if we have a 4 by 2-digit multiplication, in that case, we will put 2 zeros. And then solve the question. So, do the practice and boost your speed. That is all for now. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have learned something new in this video.